Good morning, folks. The departing sunspot that has made the last 10 days so interesting is kicking and screaming as she's dragged away from Earth's view by the solar rotation. Had a few departing M-class flares, filament plasmas surging and writhing in the corona. Let's revisit last night's video, which is linked below, in a detailed summary of the CME shockwave that is calming back down now, the electron flux scrambling that is fading away now, last night's enormous field disruption that was the largest of the entire solar cycle, and that level 4 magnetic storm event that reverberated at the end of the UTC day and is finally calming now. Link below with full details is a must-see. Here's our 3-day X-ray flux showing just the smaller M flares and high C range flashes, all from the departing limb, including now a sunspot on the north. Let's take a look at the spots. Our big boy has decayed into one core surrounded by delta potential. Goodbye, little friend. Meanwhile, the new guy who got in on the flares this morning won't have time for much else. We'll applaud the effort to rapidly develop multiple cores and magnetic complexity, but gets a D- for timing as he'll be gone tomorrow. Incomer, not doing much better. He needs more umbral development around him. After the North gave a bunch of gamma ray bursts in a row, it is Indus delivering this latest one this morning. You'll remember we had one more day of solid coronal hole force as they began to turn away, and a 6.6 rang out from Indonesia. Some readings went as high as 6.7, but 6.6 and 6.5 were the most common readings. USGS initially got this one right. Overnight decided to downgrade it to 6.2. Near-Earth influence coming back into the positive realm here today. The next coronal hole coming in is positive as well, and actually an extension of the departing northern opening. We're already seeing strong force to the equatorial portion. Down under, Nathan has turned around and might be coming right back at you guys here. Pam continues slinking away out west. Meanwhile, other alerts return to the region today as a convergence crests over the southwest, and another leaves the east coast heading for New Zealand. Convergence just on shore in Texas here. Otherwise, the air rushes north to meet another collision point. The southern clash will bring flash flood potential, while the worst of the winter weather comes at the north low, flowing into the Rockies. In Europe, we are seeing one low in the east, that same low near Spain, and a weak convergence drawing up to a far north low. The purple alerts are easy to understand this evening, even the sliver of coastal watches up north. Got the current conditions and shots of our star to close. Scroll down and click last night's video if you missed it. Eyes open, no fear. It's 5:40 a.m. Eastern Time, and that's the news. Be safe, everyone.